again, and this is my beloved husband David.
And we're going to cook you a Valentine's dinner for two. To start with, we went to George's fish shop and got 2 delicious darns of salmon. I can highly recommend them. They have shops in Stepaside and Monkstown Farm and Monkstown itself.
And they sell our dressings.
And they sell our dressings there. So there we are, 2 delicious darns of salmon. Just drizzle a little olive oil on parchment paper on medium-sized roasting tin. That's plenty. And then we place the salmon darns skin side down because we're cooking up through the fish and it keeps it nice and moist with the skin still on. Next, we season, salt and ground black pepper. Then we take our basil lime, shaking every time, and just a little drizzle across each darn. Not too much, you can add a little later.
I'd put more. That's a bit mean.
Okay, a little bit more.
Maybe more.
My wife's more generous than I am.
This is meant to be a lovely dinner.
And that's
together.
it, ready for the oven.
Okay, so we have the Hasselback potatoes in the oven cooking away, and now David is going to prepare the asparagus. And they're quite hard, aren't they? Yeah. Okay. And that you can put in compost. And then you quickly take your asparagus out and dip it into the coals. And that's blanching your vegetables. And then David. Minutes. So now we're going to add the blanched asparagus around the salmon and put it back in the oven for 5 minutes.
That's it?
Yeah, and be ready to serve.
5 more minutes and we're ready to go.
Okay, cool. So cool. Looks so pretty. Okay, so back into the oven.
So at this stage with everything in the oven, it's time for a glass of wine. Cheers. I'm sorry, I mustn't forget Berna either as well.
Exactly.
We are.
I'm
we are a couple.
darling.
We are a couple. Delicious darns of salmon cooked in Berna's basil and lime dressing, and the asparagus to complement, and Berna.
And I have the Hasselback potatoes, which are done with olive oil and parsley.
And so here we have it, Berna and David's dinner for two.
Perfect for lockdown Valentines. And then, well, no, it's fine. I think it's good.
I'm going to have a squeeze of lemon on mine.
Okay.
That's your own choice.
And happy Valentine's, one.
And let me just have a little taste.
So good. Really excellent.
Cheers, darling.
Cheers.
Happy Valentine's Day.
I know.
Delicious.
Very good.
So they don't share a plate, but we share a plate. Their product is good. Oh, that's all really good. George's. Yeah. It is really good. I mean, I don't think I've ever got a bad bit of fish there.
No.
Thanks for watching. Please don't be shy and become our friend on Instagram.
Subscribe below. Thank you.